Want to save time and avoid manual edits when dates change on your Monday.com board? Automating due dates helps you stay organized without the hassle. Here's how to quickly set up an automation that does the work for you. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the board where you want to set up the automation. Before you begin, make sure you have 3 columns: due date, event date, and offset. If you don't have them yet, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to add them. Then, click the plus button on your board, choose Date, and rename it to Event Date or any name you prefer for your main timeline reference. Since I already have a due date column, I'll now add the offset column by clicking the plus button again, selecting Numbers, and renaming it to Offset. This column will hold the number of days to offset your due date from the event date. Just input the value in offset, like how many days before or after the event you want the due date to adjust. This value drives the automation. Next, click on the Automate button at the top of your board to open the Automation Center. In the search bar, type "When date changes, adjust another" and select the option that shows up. In the automation setup, choose due date as the date that triggers the change and select event date as the one that should be adjusted. For the number input, select offset so that it adjusts based on the value you set in that column. Finally, click Create Automation and you're done. Now, anytime you change your due date, the event date will automatically update based on the offset value. And that's how to automate your due dates like a pro on Monday.com. If this helped simplify your workflow, make sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!